To win in today's dynamic marketplace with evolving consumer preferences and buying behaviors, you need to activate the power of your first-party data and leverage collaboration with your trusted suppliers to accelerate profitable growth. Introducing NIQ Activate, a collaborative, connected platform providing you the full view by integrating your first-party data with NIQ's market data, enabling retailers and suppliers to dive deeper into insights and optimize the business through real-time activation. NIQ Activate provides an intuitive user experience with the full view of your business-critical data. Activate end-to-end capabilities, spanning supply chain analytics, assortment and promotion analytics, category and customer analytics, personalized offer management, and retail media intelligence. Streamline and optimize your supply chain operations with best-in-class analytics. Assure on-shelf availability and manage service-level compliance. Maximize your assortment and promotion effectiveness. Discover actionable insights into item value, delisting ranks, and measure promotional effectiveness. Understand your customers' preferences and buying behaviors to make smarter business decisions and uncover category growth opportunities to increase customer value. Leverage real-time AI-based segmentation to create target audiences. Plan, deliver, and measure personalized offers across all channels at scale. Drive new revenue with retail media intelligence, enabling you to plan and execute campaigns, measure ad performance, and increase return on ad spend. NIQ Activate's offering expands beyond the platform with a rich portfolio of professional services to ensure your success, delivering best practices with deep industry and product expertise. NIQ Activate. Connected solutions enable supplier collaboration, build loyalty, generate new revenue streams, improve your return on media investments, and win against your competition. From data to insights to activation, we deliver the full view.